Hi, friends. Blessed are the meek, Jesus said, for they shall inherit the earth. So does this mean God is meek? Let's define the word meek. Meekness is power under restraint. The greater the power that is restrained, the more profound the meekness. It is like pausing the Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade to allow an insect to cross the street. Meekness is when great power subjugates itself under weakness for a reason. We know God is meek because he patiently waits as an enemy rules over his own creation. 2 Corinthians 4:4. But the day is coming when everything in the earth will again be under his domain, and God will inherit the earth. But remember, meekness is not weakness. It is power under restraint. God's not above subjection to a weak or false authority for a time and for a reason. Godspeed, my friends.